welcome back. I got really excited today when I found this in a thrift store. I just come out and I'm like, I wanted it, I really wanted it. Let's have a look, guys, see what you think. Wow, how sweet does that look? That is, you know what, it's a little bit smaller than a full-size boombox, but it's wow, that's in really, oh, it's in really grimy condition on the top. I'll show you. It's broken at the back of that switch. There's a gap there, and that is disgusting. I'm sure it would clean up. I'm sure it would. Let's have a look at the back. Let's see. Yeah, it's the SCR 14 realistic. It's let's see what's with the battery tray. Oh, that looks really rusty on that side. Clean on that side though. Looks like a battery is giving out on this side. That'll take a bit of cleaning up, but it's not a deal breaker, I wouldn't think. And it's pretty cheap at oh, there's another break. Okay, so the more you look at it, the more things are not looking great for this. A wobbly aerial with a broken holder. Yeah, but it's like 15 bucks. You know, what do you expect for $15? I would like it to work, so let's plug it in and see if it works. I'm sure it will clean up. Retail is $50. Well, not retail, but people are trying to sell these for $50 in the US, and you know that Canada there it would be $60. Yeah, $60 because it's Canadian dollars not worth as much. Let's look at the radio first, and then we'll go from there. Obviously, no CD player on these. Just radio. It's just a cassette radio, like how proper boomboxes used to be. And I really like this silver look. It's very much like your regular big boombox, but it's not. it's a 3/4 size. The radio's chirping a little bit. We got something there. Let's try the cassette. This is what really matters. Yeah. There's not much going on there. So the cassette, it clicks on, and then within a few seconds just clicks right off. It does make a noise. Yeah, it's a bit of an odd thing. Oh, loads of inputs and outputs here, mics and big mics and outputs for speakers, and wow. Yeah, plenty of inputs there. Radio works. It's $15.99, probably worth 50 bucks at the most in really good condition. This is not in good condition. I don't know. I'm reluctant. If the cassette worked, this would be on the way home. I like the radio. I like the way it shows the signal strength. Don't see them much anymore, but yeah, I don't think this is coming home. Oh, distraction. I think I had one of these back in the day. Tiny little Samsung cell phone, flip phone. What do they call these? Clamshell phones. Yeah, for $8. I don't know if that would still work now, but you know, I think it's stuck on Tellus though. So be honest now. Be really honest. If you're gonna go in the comments and and tear me one, be honest. Would you have bought it? Would you have bought that boombox? Leave me a comment. Anyway, thanks for subscribing and liking the videos, guys. Until next time.